name is Dr. Lizardo, one of the providers at Capital Women's Care. This is my lovely patient, Raven. She had a laparoscopic myomectomy. It's been about 8 weeks, and I'm seeing her today for her final post-op check and seeing how she's doing. So how are things? How have things been? What brought you to this point?
Well, honestly, I had kind of been dealing with fibroids for years, and kind of just been, gynecologist shopping, I guess, and just trying to ask for referrals and such, and it kind of took me a while to this point. It took me about a year and a half to actually, found you, but I just wanted to make sure that it was like, looking at testimonials like this and just talking to Dr. Lizardo in person made me feel at ease. Of course, there were risks, as you mentioned, but
sure,
there were risks with everything, but you took really good care of me, so yeah.
Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
So she had a laparoscopic myomectomy, and then it was an outpatient procedure.
Mm-hmm.
How were things like the first day or two after the surgery? Were you moving? Were you on bed rest, or what was going on?
So, like, right after, I was moving around not very well. So after I was released, it was pain definitely the first few days, on meds, of course. But I was actually, I know you definitely said to move around. So that was definitely the key, is to keep moving around. And honestly, by the first week, I was doing okay. Good. I was really shocked.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. And she had a couple good-sized fibroids. They were about a grapefruit size each, and I think we a total of 5 fibroids were removed. And it's been just about 8 weeks since her surgery, and I heard you had a pretty exciting weekend. What did you do this past weekend?
There's an annual bike ride in DC called DC Bike Ride, and it's 20 miles, so it's car-free.
Wow.
And I did it. I'm not even I had to rent a bike. I didn't even own a bike. And I got on it, and honestly, the worst thing that hurt were my legs.
That's amazing. I don't recommend all my patients do a ride, 2 months after their surgery, but apparently it could be done. And the good thing is you look awesome, and it sounds like you're doing great.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you allowing me to help you along this fibroid journey. So.